Unraveling the Pressure to Perform, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and unlock its secrets for you. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might have heard quite often but might not fully understand: pressure to perform. It's a phrase that touches on emotions, expectations, and the challenges we face in our daily lives. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone trying to get through day-to-day tasks, this concept is universally relatable. So, let's get started and break down what this phrase truly means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. Pressure to perform refers to the feeling of needing to meet certain standards or expectations that are set by ourselves or others. This pressure can come from various sources such as work, school, sports, or even social interactions. It's that inner voice that tells you, "You must do well," or the external voices of parents, teachers, bosses, or peers expecting you to succeed. This phrase is often associated with stress, anxiety, and sometimes the fear of failure. It's important to recognize that while a certain level of pressure can motivate us to achieve our goals, too much pressure can lead to negative outcomes like burnout or decreased performance. To help you understand how pressure to perform manifests in real life, let's look at a few examples. 1. In education, students often feel the pressure to perform well in their exams to secure a good future or to meet their parents' expectations. 2. In the workplace, employees might experience pressure to meet deadlines, achieve targets, or outperform their colleagues to secure promotions or recognition. 3. In sports, athletes often face immense pressure to win medals, break records, or simply to live up to their previous performances and not let their team down. 4. In personal life, individuals might feel the pressure to conform to societal norms or expectations, like achieving certain life milestones by a specific age. Understanding these examples can help learners see how pervasive this concept is across different aspects of life. Recognizing the pressure to perform is one thing, but learning how to cope with it is another. Here are some strategies that can help. 1. Set realistic goals. It's important to set achievable targets that match your abilities and resources. 2. Seek support. Talking to friends, family, or professionals can provide relief and offer new perspectives on handling pressure. 3. Practice self-care. Engaging in activities that you enjoy and that relax your mind and body can reduce stress and improve performance. 4. Focus on the process, not just the outcome. Enjoying the journey towards your goal can reduce the focus on the pressure to achieve a specific result. We hope this video has shed some light on the pressure to perform and given you some tools to understand and cope with it in your own life. Remember, feeling pressure is a natural part of life, but it shouldn't overshadow your happiness or well-being. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning and take care of yourselves.